They say that you've been missing since 2024. Why didn't you report to probation?
Por falta de llegar, por falta de transporte, me quedaba muy lejos a donde me tocaba yo.
Due to lack of transportation and because it was very far from where I was.
Why didn't you pick up the phone and call probation?
Sí, lo estuve haciendo cada vez cuando no podía, lo hacía, pero se me hacía un poco difícil para llegar a la dirección donde tenía que llegar.
Yes, I understand I would do it when I was able to, but it was a little complicated for me to get to the address.
No. Why didn't you pick up the phone and call them? And counsel, are we proceeding on the motion to revoke?
We are, and we did come up with an agreement if you're amenable to it, Judge.
All right, court is calling 2022 CR 1006W, State versus Walter Miranda. Can I have parties announced?
Duffy Pitlock for the state of Texas, Your Honor.
Teresa Garcia for the defendant.
And are you Mr. Miranda? Oh, I don't know.
Who's the contestant?
Sí, sí, sí,
Yes,
Are you Walter Miranda?
sí.
yes.
All right. We have an interpreter here. If you could raise your right hand. Do you solemnly swear and affirm that you will faithfully translate from English into Spanish and Spanish into English, so help you God?
I do.
All right, you can lower your hand if you'll state your name for the record.
Pamela Payan.
All right, and counsel, do you speak Spanish?
I do.
And do you speak it fluently?
I do.
All right, Mr. Miranda, the document I'm going to review with you is in English. Was that document explained to you in Spanish?
Sí.
Yes,
All right. Are you the same Walter Miranda who was placed on deferred adjudication in 2022 CR 1006W for the offense of theft of material 50% aluminum, bronze, copper, less than $20,000 on February 1st, 2022 for a period of 3 years? Is that you?
Sí.
yes.
All right. State.
Yes, Judge. State is proceeding with violation of condition number 2 on or about the 15th day of May, 2024 in Bexar County, Texas. The defendant, Walter Miranda, did then and there fail to submit to drug testing as directed by the court officer or supervision officer, and or a duly authorized agent of the court in violation of condition number 2.
How do you plead to that, true or not true?
Sí.
Yes,
No. Is it true or not true?
Sí, es cierto.
it's true.
State.
The state will waive and abandon the remaining violations, Your Honor.
Any objection?
No objection, Judge.
Did you understand by pleading true to violation of condition number 2, the court could find it true, grant the motion, find you guilty, sentence you up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to a $10,000 fine?
Sí.
Yeah,
Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to violation of condition number 2?
Sí.
yes.
Court will find violation of condition number 2 true. Is there a proposed agreement?
There is, Your Honor.
Yes.
That is to adjudicate defendant, place him on regular probation with all the current pending conditions in full effect. There is a note that probationer has not received a mental health evaluation, even though he was referred 3 times. So the state would also ask, while in custody, for that mental health evaluation to be performed, as well as a TAP evaluation, and for probationer to follow all recommendations. The state is recommending 2 years, state jail probated over 2 years, Your Honor.
That's correct, Judge. That's our proposed agreement.
All right. Is there a reason why there wasn't a mental health evaluation done?
The state may ask probation.
Judge Ethan did not show up.
Oh. So that's why your mental health evaluation wasn't done. You didn't show up. So how long has he been missing from reporting?
Well, Judge, I guess it's been a while, but with mental health, you can order him there. That's why we're saying, have him have that evaluation while he's incarcerated to see if he does have issues, which I believe he does. I mean, I think he's competent, but I believe he does have some issues, and move from there.
All right. Has there been any restitution requested from Lowe's or no?
Judge, I don't see anything new in the system for restitution.
All right. So, Mr. Miranda, the court understands when people have mental health issues. However, I don't think you're a good candidate for probation. Nobody's seen you. Is there anything you wish to tell the court?
No.
No,
The only thing is that I do know that he has told me that he does take care of somebody. I believe it's his husband, and the husband really needs him. I think the husband is sick.
Hey, my name is David, and I'm the creator of Dark Truth Uncovered, the channel you're watching right now. YouTube channel got wrongfully demonetized by YouTube, and I need your help to help me get it back. I got no strike, I got no warnings, I literally didn't violate their policy, and they're giving me no clear reasons as to why my channel was taken down, and I need your help to help me get it back. All I'm asking from you is to help me sign a petition, and if you want to learn more about what happened, like why I am right now with your supporting them and everything, you can check the pinned comment. It will contain the link to the petition, and it will also contain the link to a post I made about this. Yeah, thank you for your time, and thank you for watching this video. Bye.
All right. Is there a reason why you didn't report knowing you have to take care of your husband? Oh, do you want to say something to the court? If you wish to say something to me, I'm going to have you placed under oath, and then the state will have a chance to ask whatever questions they want to ask.
Sí.
yes,
All right. Can you raise your right hand? Do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
yes.
All right, you can lower your hand. State your name for the record.
Walter Miranda.
Walter Miranda.
All right, where have you been? Probation said that you didn't report for your mental health evaluation. All right, let's do this. Why didn't you report? They say that you've been missing since 2024. Why didn't you report to probation?
Por falta de llegar, por falta de transporte, y me quedaba muy lejos a donde me tocaba vivir.
Due to lack of transportation and because it was very far from where I was.
Why didn't you pick up the phone and call probation?
Sí, lo estuve haciendo cada vez cuando no podía, lo hacía, pero se me hacía un poco difícil para llegar a la dirección donde tenía que llegar.
Yes, I understand I would do it when I was able to, but it was a little complicated for me to get to the address.
No, why didn't you pick up the phone and call them?
Lo hacía, pero a veces no me respondían.
I would do it, but sometimes they wouldn't answer.
All right, were you arrested at your home?
Perdón,
Where were you arrested?
en mi casa.
Yes, at home.
And did you have employment?
No,
No,
So when's the last time you had employment?
dejé de trabajar hasta hace como 4 meses para atrás.
I stopped working about 4 months ago.
Why?
por estar cuidando a mi pareja. Él ya no puede estar solo tanto tiempo, entonces me dediqué a estar con él.
Because I was taking care of my partner, he can't be on his own for long, so I was dedicating my time to him.
All right. Any questions?
Not from the state, Your Honor.
No.
All right. I don't think you're a good candidate for probation. You've been missing since 2024 in this court. Communication is key. You can pick up the phone, call probation. If there's an issue with transportation, they will usually allow you to report by Zoom. You're missing of your mental health appointment. It's not that they didn't order it, it's that you didn't attend it. We can't help people who don't want to be helped. The court is finding violation of condition number 2 true. The court will find you guilty, revoke. There's to be no contact with Lowe's. Does anyone wish to speak to time?
Judge, I'd be asking for the minimum 180 days.
All right. Has he done anything on probation?
How long would that?
Thank you.
Your Honor, the state does see completion of a theft program. There was proof of employment within the first 30 days originally. Probationer was working at Lisa's, was trying to make money. The state would also be in line with defense's recommendation on the punishment range. The state did recommend adjudication and further community supervision. Yes, probationer did not make his mental health eval. The state thinks that he does want to make these changes, but the state respects and understands whatever this court does today.
All right. So here are the choices. I don't know if anyone would agree to it. The court takes into consideration the fact that he says that there's someone who is 100% dependent on him. He can either do 300 days at the Bexar County Jail under 1244, or he can do 180 days at the state jail facility. Those are the two choices.
Pues hazlo en el condado.
Condado que es.
¿En dónde estás ahorita? Es más rápido.
¿Y la otra opción cuál es?
180 días en
Por faltar y montar.
And the reason why the court is saying 300 days in the Bexar County Jail, because the court is a warehouse. The Bexar County Jail calculates time.
Sí, eso lo está haciendo. No, pero es que están sus opciones. Judge, I think he believes it is condado, Bexar County.
All right.
Yes. Giving him, of course, credit for the time he's already spent.
Yes. Then is there any objection to the defendant being sentenced under 1244?
No, Your Honor, not from the state.
All right. Sir, are you waiving your right to appeal?
Yes.
All right. I'm sorry. Could I get the trial court certification copy I gave to you?
Yes. Heard you. Thank you. Ya sabes.
Sí, pero mientras tanto,
Okay.
All right. The court then is, as previously stated, is finding violation of condition number 2 true. The court will find you guilty, revoke. There's to be no contact with Lowe's. The court will sentence you to 300 days in the Bexar County Jail under 1244. Give you credit for any time served. Did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes.
All right. Because you waived your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand?
Yes.
All right. Good luck to you. Thank you.
May I be excused, Judge?
Yes.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Who's here? Christine Hernandez?
I'm Judge.
Toma asiento.
Is this going to be contested or no?
No, Judge, we have an agreement.
All right, court is calling 2020 CR 9869B, State versus Christine Hernandez. Can I have parties announced?
Deputy Pitlock for the state of Texas, Your Honor.
Orlando Castañon for defense.
All right, and are you Christine Hernandez?
Yes, I am.
Did you review the document entitled Motion to Revoke Community Supervision with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, I did.
Are you the same Christine Hernandez who was placed on community supervision in 2020 CR 9869B for the offense of prohibited substance in a correctional facility, alcohol, drug, phone, tobacco on July 27, 2023 for a term of 6 years? Is that you?
Yes, it is.
All right, state.
Yes, Your Honor. Yes, Your Honor. It's violation of condition number 2. On or about the 18th day of February 2025 in Bexar County, Texas, the defendant, Christine Hernandez, did then and there illegally use a controlled substance, namely methamphetamines, in violation of condition number 2.
Can you click to that, true or not true?
True.
State will waive and abandon the remaining violations, Your Honor.
Any objection?
No, Judge.
Did you understand by pleading true to violation of condition number 2, the court could sentence you to 8 years in the prison?
Yes, I do.
Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to violation of condition number 2?
Yes, I do.
Court will find violation of condition number 2 true. Is there a proposed agreement?
There is, Your Honor. That is to continue probationer on probation, but to amend for the following conditions. In conversing with probation, the state recognizes we need an updated TAP eval. The state would ask for that while in custody, as well as a felony drug court evaluation while in custody. The state would ask for weekly reporting for the first 60 days after custody, IVR hotline, and MRT moral recognition therapy, Your Honor.
All right. I don't think you're an appropriate candidate for probation. You were previously here on a violation of condition number 2. At that time, the court revoked your deferred adjudication, found you guilty, sentenced you to 8 years in the prison, suspended it for 6 years. At that time, a TAP evaluation was to be completed in custody, and there's supposed to be the UA hotline. Doesn't appear that you're a good candidate for probation, so I'm not going to continue on this probation. Do you understand?
I do.
All right. So the court is going to revoke, give you credit for any time served. Does anyone want to speak to a term?
Yes, Judge. We'd ask that you consider reforming the judgment to a more, I think, suitable sentence. I believe that this term should be more along the lines of 4 years.
All right. This is what the court is going to do. The court is going to revoke, give you credit for any time served. The court will sentence you to 6 years in the prison, and the court will request the therapeutic community. Did you review the trial court certification of defendant's rights to appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Oh, yeah.
All right. You do have a limited right to appeal. That right to appeal is as it relates to the allegations in the motion, not the fact that you are in community supervision. All right. We can go off the record. Here's the thing. When you're released from custody, if you have issues or problems finding a sober home or someone that will help you with maintain your sobriety, if I'm here, you can come back here and I'll find a place for you. All right. Good luck to you.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you. Yes.
Thanks for joining us and witnessing this intense courtroom moment. If this trial got you thinking, be sure to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts below. Stay tuned for more gripping courtroom moments as we continue to bring you the most shocking trials. See you in the next one.